I've been having like a lazy girl sleep routine. So instead of me like sleeping with the covers, I will sleep with something else. And then when I wake up in the morning, I'm only having to really fold and fix, you know, these last two things. And then the bed is like a literally 5-minute fix, which is how I save myself time. Cause girl, I feel like right now I need to insert, what's his name? Justin Timberlake. I'm so lonely. I have not been sleeping well the last 3 days. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. The last 3 days has been a little rough on your girl. I'm going through the motions of some stuff, and it's just like, damn, man. I'm so lonely. I went to sleep last night. Y'all, it's been my mirror has fingerprints because my son, I don't know, he can't help himself, I guess. I don't know. The other day I actually caddied this mirror. So if you follow me on Instagram, I've been doing these little reels and stuff. I'm not gonna lie though, recently I just haven't really felt like doing anything, but y'all, it's been a week. Not gonna lie, it's been a week. Ugh. In case you guys ask, the mirror is from Haverty's, okay? I also want to share something with you guys really quickly that I just got, okay? It's not sponsored or anything. It was gifted. This is the Sony speaker and also light. I think it's dead now. Let me see. Oh no. Okay. So you pretty much turn it on here. You put your finger and the light comes on. It's a cute little night light situation. You can answer the phone on this. You can play music on this. It's such a cute situation. Let me see if I can call my friend real quick. Okay, you guys. Fash is on here. Say hey, girl.
Hey.
And it plays music. I'm going to leave it linked down below. That way if you guys are interested, you can grab it. Okay, Fash, bye.
Bye.
Alright you guys, so I am back from the store. I pretty much got myself ready and I ran all of my errands. Now I'm going to go ahead and straighten up the house. My son cooked last night. Did not see the mess downstairs because I was upstairs. So I want to clean the kitchen. I want to open up all of my packages. And then I also have some floral arrangements that I purchased. So I'm doing that, and I'm also putting up some groceries. What I'm currently opening right now is my new blender. It is called the Beast. I'm actually really enjoying it. I only used it once, and I just love how creamy the smoothie comes out. It's not chunky, so I do like that. And then you can just take the container and leave with it. You don't have to change out the container. So if you guys are interested, I will be leaving it linked down below along with the speaker. That way if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and check it out.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even
You guys, Fash was in Home Goods. If y'all see this and y'all want to be nice to me, I will pay for shipping and the product. But
she found the Nest grapefruit hand sanitizer. I want to say this big one. Look it up. Look how much the big one is. She found it for $10. I want to say this is like $20. Look it up real quick. You got your phone? Oh, it's charging? My phone's right here. Let me look up how much this thing costs because this is the one that I carry in my purse and in my car. I left it in my last video, and this was $10. So that just tells you, okay? Let me see how much this one costs.
We have to go look.
At Home Goods, I feel like
High end.
oh, it's $20. Why did you put that? Oh, okay. Okay. So it's $20. It was $10, which is essentially half off. Why didn't I buy the big one? I keep buying these little ones. This is $10.
Because you just carry in your purse.
But I could refill it.
You can't now that you know. Yeah.
So I'm gonna refill my little one and put it back in my purse, y'all, because like I told you guys before, I clean a lot. Hold up a minute. Oh. I was about to say it's not a twist, it's a pull. I said, Nest, no, ain't wrong if they didn't make this reusable. I was gonna have to tag them and say, y'all killing the environment. Who?
But that one smells so good.
I can tell you guys right now, I was out casually minding my business and I was using this on my hand and the guy said, oh, that smells really good. And he asked for some. So I gave him some. Ooh, look at that. Yes, I'm gonna start getting the big ones because. Okay. I hope they don't come up done. You know how these things tend to be a little disrespectful. Just so you have a heads up, starting Wednesday, V is taking appointments only. She's going back to appointments only. I'm gonna wake up early in the morning and probably get there by 9 o'clock so she can go ahead and get my gel and get my toes done. But she did say she was gonna go to appointment only.
That's good.
And so I said, okay. You guys, okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you. You see all these beautiful flowers here? I'm not even gonna touch them tonight. I'm gonna land them in the refrigerator or probably put them in the garage because the garage stays pretty chilled. And tomorrow, once the kitchen is like cleaned and everything, I will do the florals. So on Instagram, I do reels, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, my reels be hitting like 1 million, 500, 300,000, not 300, but 300,000. I do my floral arrangements, and I haven't been home in about a week, and so I want to put some in my bedroom. I want to put some down here. And I actually had the rugs cleaned again because my kids, I don't know what got into them. They was running outside and running inside and got dirt on the rug. My son somehow, not somehow, okay, and let me be honest. I gave him the code to my bedroom door and I told him, sit on the day bed, please do not get in my bed and chill. The child done bought food and everything, and then he had him a whole hacienda party in. If I didn't know any better, I think he thought he was in his bed, okay? Because when I came back home, there was food all on the side of the bed. And like kids do, he left all the evidence on the side of the bed. So he was like, I'm like, did you eat in my room? I don't remember, no, I don't think so. And I'm like, so what is that? Oh yeah, I think I did, yeah. And so there was food inside my bed, y'all. So I had to call the company out again to clean up. So all of that got done. So I really just want to make my bed, fix it up, make it pretty. I really want to order some new pillow casings to like do the color and everything. I want to talk to y'all about something too, but I'm going to save that for like a separate video so we can actually sit down and I can give you guys like a brief update. Because moving forward, I will no longer be doing any more renovations. We're going to talk about it. Because I'm working on some things. This year is going to be the year that I actually try to save, get my stuff in order, because I would like to do something in terms of investing something by the end of the year, the beginning of the year, which is going to require me to just live in my home, which is really great because I get to enjoy it. I'm not even gonna buy any furniture, y'all, because at this point, 36 weeks ain't really my timeline. So I'm not gonna try to do anything. I'm just gonna try to work and save and try to move. But the flowers, I'm gonna do them tomorrow, and then I'll let you guys see what's going on behind me because ain't really nothing going on. I have to order a piece for the fireplace and fix the fireplace. Other than that, y'all, that's it. Honestly, I'm just trying to, I'm probably going to declutter, fix over the next couple of days, weeks. Probably what you're going to see a lot of on my channel is just me decluttering, kind of getting ready to switch over for like spring and stuff. But this is such a pretty little view right here. I love it. The flowers look amazing. So you guys, here is the look at the floral arrangements. I actually had them in my bedroom, but like 2 days ago I moved them into the bathroom and it just looks so good. I'm actually headed downstairs to do some work, so I'm gonna go ahead and go down there. But I do have an exciting video coming up. You guys, I cleaned, I vacuumed. Company came out and did the rugs again, and then my bedroom is such a situation. I'm excited. I'm doing some client work, but you guys, here is the other florals. It's been about 5 days now. I recut them, changed the water. You can see the roses. Oh, you guys, it looks so freaking good. I will say that these florals were about $70, which is still cheaper than if I had gone into a florist and purchased. Actually, one of the florists that I used to go to, they closed. They're only doing weddings now, and the other one closed and they're just no longer in business. So I was like, you know what, let me just start making my own. And I've really gotten a whole lot better with just doing it. So I'm not a professional, but I definitely love putting together my arrangements. So if you like flowers, your first one may not be the prettiest arrangement ever, but as time goes on, you'll get better. But like I said, I think I've been doing this for maybe 5 years. If you guys remember, a long time ago, I think I did a video a few years back, and I'm like, yeah, you guys, whenever I've had a long day or whatever, you know, I'll take Babe's card and be like, I felt like you wanted to buy me some flowers, so here's the flowers you bought me today. And so that was like the ongoing thing. Yeah, I just really love flowers. I'm not a plant person, so depending on whether you're a plant or a floral person, of course, make up your mind on that. But the flowers look amazing and I love it. Again, I did go to Whole Foods to get this. Coffee table looks so good. So good. And the florals look even better. But you guys, today was just a really quick video. I'm going to go ahead and get to working because I have a lot of fabrics that I have to select for clients, and that's taking up a lot of my time. And I'm going to spend time with the boys today. So have a good day. I will see you guys next time. Bye.